is item prices is given in the list. If we tell you about our project, it is about lighting sources and little basic instruction or basic demonstration of house wiring in two phases. First of all, we have different type of lighting sources, including fluorescent, moonlight, LED bulb, 0 watt, tungsten filament, and additionally we have a digital multimeter circuit. Digital multimeter is a volt plus ampere, meaning that it will show both voltage and amperes. Uh, Secondly, all of the phases in our project are controlled by a 7 plus 1 phase control board. Let me show some visualization of our project. Uh, Initially, the voltage is 239. As all of the components or the sources are connected in parallel, so the voltage will remain same. The only thing that will vary with the turning on or off the sources is current. The value of current will change. We will see that all of the sources that are used are very economical and efficient. Uh, Without the filament bulb, because 0 watt bulbs. Moving on, we have a single LED diode. It emits light in straightforward direction. Next, we have a 100 watt tungsten filament bulb. The main temperature of it in these days is kind of to generate temperature, but in recent times it was used for the purpose of light. Moving on, we have moonlight, a 15-watt round bulb, an LED ceiling bulb, and a fluorescent tube without a starter, meaning that it will start at its own. It will take no starting time or no starting lamp. So first we turn on our 0 watt bulb and we see that effect on voltage is nothing, because all of the components are in parallel, so voltage will remain same throughout our demonstration. And as it consumes very little amount of current, so it has nearly no effect on current value of current. Sorry, I forgot to tell about that the least count of our multimeter is 0.5 or 0.45 amperes. Next, we have a single LED diode. It's 5 watt and 10 amperes. It is very elegant and used to meet on the purpose of getting straight light. Next, we have filament bulb. It is of 100 watt. As we can see that it is bright, but additionally it is emitting a large amount of heat. So I will for now turn it off. Next, we have a fluorescent light. Its current value is 16 amperes. Wattage is 14 watt. It is very economical and well as feasible, because it consumes very less electricity, efficient, and it does not release any kind of heat or something like that. No wastage of energy, and it is eye pleasing. It will not disturb our eyes. In our home or household, it is used on study desk or small portions we need to lighten up to get decent and eye soothing light. Moving on, we have our LED ceiling light. Its value is 16 watts and 10 amperes. It is also very bright, but it has one defect. It is not long lasting. It's that it is actually it is made up of multiple diodes, and if even one of diode is malfunctioned, it will turn off or it will stop. Moving on, we have 15 watt round LED bulb. It emits energy or light in three directions, 3D directions. Its current value is 16 amperes and wattage is 15 watt. So I would just like to give a brief information about that the source of the tungsten filament bulb we have used in our project. It is high current consuming. We can see that all of the sources turn on. The value of current is zero point 0.6 amperes. As soon as we turn on with having the LED filament bulb off. As soon as we turn on our filament bulb, the value of current massively increases from 6.8 to 1.4, almost more than double of the value of current. So meaning that the most current consuming device in our project is a tungsten filament bulb. Additionally, it emits a large amount of heat, so it can damage our project also. Uh, all of the things that are used in our project are environment friendly. They are economical and preferable to use in household and any kind of wiring or any kind of domestic or industrial use, except the use of filament bulb. As we have seen, it has high current consumption, so meaning that it will consume more electricity, resulting in more cost of electricity. So it is better to not use it. Secondly, we can use it as a source of heat, but as I have told you that it is not economical, so we should not prefer it also for source of heat energy. Also, we can just use it as dust source or for our experiments. I hope you like our project. This was our project. All of the demonstration are totally biased. We have all made this project by mutual understanding and mutual cooperation. The shop number, address, and the prices of all of the instrument used are given in the detail list, giving just a narrow or a right guess about our prices. It was almost cost 5,000. The base material we have used acrylic sheet. It is a mixture of plastic and glass. It costs about 1,500. It is 2 by 2, meaning 2 foot vertical and 2 foot in horizontal X and Y direction. This is the circuit diagram of our project. As we can see, in start we have digital panel method. Moving on, we have a circuit breaker, phase control, and representation of filament belt, single LED bulb, 0 watt, low light bulb, ceiling light, round light, moonlight, and fluorescence tube.